Kids have always been at the center of why I wake up every day.
I dedicated myself to creating high-quality education for all families, regardless of color, where you live, your zip code.
And that's, I believe, why BES exists. It's a beautiful merger of our love and commitment and dedication to making real change in our community and a group of folks who have the know-how to do it.
At BES, we know it's not enough to just start strong schools. We have to ensure that those schools excel and that they can sustain that excellence over time.
Central to the BES model is recruiting individuals from communities to launch schools that respond in authentic ways to the needs of those communities.
You want some help with it?
BES has had a great impact on the charter school movement throughout this country, developing strong leaders who have a vision around what education should be with respect to students in those underserved communities.
At BES, it's really critical that we put equity front and center in every decision that we make. We strive to create an uplifting work environment that celebrates diversity, invites fresh perspective into our work, and also values learning and growth. We've developed a continuum of leadership training and supports that we offer to leaders at every stage of growth. We have the fellowship that helps identify and prepare leaders to start schools, but we also have additional leadership development programs that are designed to not only help that leader continue to build their skills, but also to help build the benches of leadership in schools.
We're really excited that we've become a destination for families and for students.
Align Academy is making a difference by holding the highest of expectations for all students.
You are selling a dream, and I think BES did a tremendous job of preparing us to do that.
This job is really hard, and it is really good. But I have direction and meaning in a way that's really profound.
My hope for BES is that it continues to attract unbelievable talent of social entrepreneurs across every walk of life in every community.
We remain committed to continuous learning and improvement, and we will continue to find the best ways to support our leaders and multiply our impact across the country.